It's the first segment of It's a Dire Thing for 2018. It's been like forever. But yeah, tonight we're doing something a little bit special. So right now we're getting a good bite to eat at Montana's with Bailey.
Calm down, Carl.
And Daddy.
Stop screaming, Carl.
And tonight we're going to go and do scuba diving. What does scuba stand for? Do you know what scuba stands for?
Self-contained underwater breathing apparatus.
Again?
Self-contained underwater breathing apparatus.
She is good.
No, that's because my elementary teacher freaking tortured me.
Who's your elementary teacher?
I can't tell that.
Who was it?
I can't say.
Who was it?
No, because
what was his name? There's no trouble. We're not gonna. Yeah, we're allowed to disclose information.
No, we're not.
Okay. Anyways, we're at Montana's. We're gonna get a bite to eat. Hello. How are you?
Good.
Right, you're gonna be part of the vlog.
It's okay. I have to go for myself.
Okay. Promote yourself. Woohoo. We love Montana's.
Can I get you something to drink?
Water, please.
Water?
For myself, and a little bit of lemon.
Pepsi, yeah, for sure.
Pepsi. Yeah. Thank you, dear. Awesome. We're not done.
Okay.
Alrighty.
Carl, stop screaming.
Carl.
Yeah.
I thought I was Linda.
You are Linda.
I'm Linda or Carl?
I can't figure out what I'm reading because you're talking.
Am I putting you on the spot? Okay. Montana. And the food is here. What do you got? Oh my god, you got like penne pasta. Huh? That looks like serious amount of cheese, girl.
I don't know where the chicken is.
Oh, there's chicken too?
I think somewhere.
Hiding? Did you ask for chicken?
It should have came with chicken.
Does it say with chicken?
Oh yeah, it's in there.
Oh, there you go. There's your chicken. One piece. And I have chicken tacos, but I asked for... Didn't I ask for beans?
You did ask for beans.
I did ask for beans, but I got fries.
You didn't get beans?
Okay, well, doesn't matter. Still looks good. Dig in. Grab and growl, girl. Here, let's see. Is it good? Yum. I like that cheese. Serious amount of cheese. French fry. Yummy. Okay. We eat and we chat later. Bye-bye. Ooh, lollipop. Lollipop. As cold as it is outside, and it's... Here, you want a lollipop? I got you a lollipop.
I got one.
You got a lollipop. Okay. Push the door, girl. Oh my god, it's freezing. Oh, it's still snowing a bit, eh? So, okay, warmed up the car. The car's nice and warm. Oh boy. So, stop at... Oh, it's locked. Sorry. Sorry. Here it is, go. So.
Hello. Calm down, Paul. Hello.
Peter, Paul, what? Huh? So,
Calm
okay.
down, Paul.
That was Montana's eating yum. I'm full. That was good. You guys gotta. You can go there now with your friends. That'd be a good place to do it. All right, let's get a little preview. Montana's. Yum. So, off to Tim Hortons. It is now 5:36, so it gives us perfect time. Tim Hortons, and then off to scuba diving courses to swim with the dolphins.
No, not swimming with dolphins.
Oh, barracudas.
No.
Not swimming with barracudas.
No.
Sharks?
No.
Anything?
No.
Nothing.
Just people.
Swim with each other.
With ladies.
Okay.
With ladies and all men.
Ladies and old ladies and men. No, we're not going to the white people's home. Starbucks is not for us.
Yes, it is.
No,
we're white.
I know, but we're gonna go to Tim Hortons. All right, see you in a bit because it's probably too dark. You can't see us, anyways. That goes there. All right, small update. We finished doing the actual course. So the theory part of it. No, I'm not gonna film inside. Okay, I'm not. Don't worry. Okay, lock. This is so nervous. This is so cool. So you have to pee. Okay, well everybody, she has to pee. So do I. So anyways, we are here now at Aurora Sports Hall of Fame. What is it called? The Stronach Aurora Recreational Complex Center of Aurora. Aurora. Say Aurora. Aurora. Say Acura for Papa Montreal. Acura. So anyways, this is now the second part. So we finished doing the, we finished doing the tests and all that. So we passed, yay! So now we're gonna get to go swim. Okay, we'll see you in a short little bit. Hello again. So now we're in the pool. What are you doing? Are you using your Wi-Fi and you're tagging or zapping everybody?
No, I'm sending my streak.
You're sending your streaks. You should be streaking in the pool. So
No.
Aurora pool. That's what?
Pretty cool.
Oh, okay. So now they're getting all the gear up ready. Huh? Swim team. That's what you do.
Yeah.
Very similar, right?
I don't.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to videotape them because that's what you do, right? But there. This is the pool.